Video is on the top 5 best RC cars on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is BLUEJAY Remote Control Car. The BLUEJAY Remote Control Car is designed to bring thrilling racing moments with its powerful performance and stylish build. Built with a strong motor, this monster truck reaches impressive speeds that make every race feel exciting and action-packed. Its 2.4 GHz remote controller ensures smooth handling and reliable response, giving you control at a distance with no delays. This remote control truck is made with an ABS plastic chassis combined with an aluminum alloy frame, making it durable while keeping the weight light for faster movement. The structure is built to handle impact, allowing it to perform well on different outdoor terrains. To add to the fun, this vehicle includes bright LED headlights and chassis lights, making night driving adventurous and realistic. It runs on a rechargeable 7.4-volt 1400 mAh lithium-ion battery. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy up to 70 minutes of continuous play, giving long hours of uninterrupted racing. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, this car brings a balance of power and entertainment. The BLUEJAY monster truck makes a great gift for both kids and adults. It is perfect for birthdays or simply for spending enjoyable family time outdoors. Its speed, lights, and durable body make it an engaging toy that adds excitement to every play session. In our list, the number 4 product name is Hyperfast RC Cars. The Hypergo H16BM remote control truck is built for speed and adventure with a brushless motor that delivers powerful performance. This compact 1x16 scale vehicle is designed for adults who enjoy off-road racing and want a machine that handles different surfaces with ease. Its strong build allows it to move with stability while maintaining control during high-speed runs. The design includes durable metal parts that help in distributing power smoothly, ensuring better handling and less energy loss. With carefully engineered components, this truck is able to perform jumps, wheelies, and stunts without losing balance. The tires with sponge inserts along with oil-filled absorbers reduce shaking during movement, giving a steady ride even on rough paths. The body structure is reinforced with sturdy materials that can resist impact and protect the chassis during intense driving. Flame retardant protection around the battery casing adds extra safety during long sessions. 2 rechargeable lithium polymer batteries are provided, which give plenty of driving time for continuous fun. This fast 4-wheel drive car is capable of reaching impressive speeds when used with upgraded batteries, making it suitable for those who love thrilling racing experiences. The remote controller is simple to operate, offering responsive control with adjustable settings that work well for both beginners and skilled drivers. With its combination of speed, durability, and stability, this truck is a solid choice for anyone who enjoys the excitement of remote control racing. In our list, the number 3 product name is BEZGAR Brushless RC Car. The BEZGAR HP161S remote control truck is built for racing lovers who want both speed and stability. This compact 1x16 scale machine is powered by a strong brushless motor that gives the truck the ability to move quickly while keeping balance on different surfaces. Its design allows it to race across rough tracks or smooth ground with equal ease, making it enjoyable for many kinds of drivers. The battery system is designed to provide steady power with safe protection, giving enough time for long-running sessions. With improved efficiency, this setup supports quick acceleration and makes the truck reliable for continuous driving. The electronic system is built to handle different conditions such as mud, puddles, or light snow, which makes the vehicle a dependable choice for outdoor fun. Durability is a major highlight with reinforced metal parts, upgraded gears, and oil-filled shocks that help the car remain stable during flips, jumps, or sudden impacts. This structure reduces energy loss and improves handling even when performing stunts or running on uneven terrain. Control is smooth with the remote system that offers a long-distance range and adjustable speed settings. Beginners can enjoy lower speed for easy learning, while experienced players can switch to full power for high-performance racing. This flexibility makes it suitable for both kids and adults who enjoy remote control vehicles. The bright front light improves visibility during low-light driving, while the chassis design adds protection against collisions. With its mix of speed, safety, and strength, this truck provides a thrilling experience for anyone who enjoys remote control cars. Whether for indoor fun or outdoor competition, it brings excitement and lasting enjoyment. In our list, the number 2 product name is Hyperrun Fast Remote Control Car. The Hypergo H16DR remote control truck is designed to deliver an exciting driving experience across different terrains. Built with a strong structure, it combines speed, balance, and durability in a way that makes it suitable for both new learners and experienced hobbyists. Its compact 1:16 scale size makes it easy to handle, while still powerful enough to perform stunts and jumps with impressive control. The truck is supported by a battery system that ensures continuous playtime with steady power output. This setup helps it achieve quick bursts of speed, allowing drivers to enjoy high performance on smooth roads as well as challenging outdoor conditions. The electronic system is engineered to manage the demands of high-speed driving, making it dependable for different weather and ground surfaces. A carefully designed chassis with reinforced materials gives the truck strength to withstand impacts, crashes, and frequent use. With metal components and upgraded gears, it handles sudden movements with ease, keeping stability even during sharp turns or flips. This makes it reliable for adventurous driving without compromising safety. Its shock-absorbing system reduces vibration and provides a smoother ride, even when running at high speeds. This allows the truck to maintain traction while performing tricks such as jumps or wheelies. The light yet tough build makes it an excellent choice for off-road driving on mud, gravel, or grass. The remote system allows precise control, offering an option for reduced throttle that helps beginners learn at a slower pace while still being capable of higher speeds for experienced drivers. This adaptability makes it enjoyable for kids, adults, and hobby racers alike. With its strong build, responsive controls, and thrilling performance, this truck offers endless fun for anyone who loves remote control cars. In our list, the number 1 product name is VIRCAS Brushless RC Cars. The VIRCAS 1x12 brushless remote control buggy is built for thrill seekers who want speed, balance, and durability in one powerful machine. Its design allows both children above 8 years and adults to enjoy an exciting driving experience on different terrains. The build quality combines metal parts, reinforced components, and a strong frame that provides reliability during long sessions of racing and stunts. With its brushless motor system, this truck is capable of achieving high acceleration while maintaining stability. The advanced receiver ensures smooth control with a long operating range, giving drivers confidence whether they are racing in open spaces or testing their skills on rough tracks. A rechargeable polymer lithium battery powers the car, delivering strong output for extended playtime. The suspension and shock absorber system enhance balance by reducing vibrations even at high speed. Aluminum parts add strength while keeping the weight manageable, ensuring that the car remains responsive during sharp turns, jumps, and sudden movements. Front and rear tires are designed to offer precise handling, with the aerodynamic rear wing improving grip and reducing air resistance for smoother performance. The carefully engineered drivetrain uses hardened steel parts that resist wear and withstand intense use. This provides consistent power delivery while minimizing the risk of damage during hard impacts. Anti-roll bars further improve balance by preventing excess tilt when cornering, which makes the vehicle safer and easier to control. The streamlined body shell, made from strong polycarbonate material, adds to the stylish appearance while offering protection against impact and scratches. Its racing-inspired design highlights both performance and durability. This remote control buggy provides a combination of speed, power, and control that makes it enjoyable for beginners as well as advanced hobbyists who want a reliable all-terrain experience.